On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I am going to show you how to draw a sausage egg McMuffin. This is positively going to be my last kind of breakfast thing for a while. So I'm starting off with the top of the muffin, and this is like an ellipse, and then I'm drawing a line across it there. And then we want the egg, which is generally a little bit crinkly around the edge there. And then we want the sausage patty, which will be about like that. And hey, shall we have some cheese? So we could think of the cheese as being kind of a square thing like that, but we want it to drip down a bit, don't we? Because it kind of melts. So we're going to curve those edges and give it a bit of thickness there too, like that. And then we want the bottom of our muffin, and then I think we could maybe kind of stick it on its piece of paper that it usually comes wrapped up in, although I'm not going to put any brands or anything like that on there. So let's see how we go with this. Now you want to have this quite sort of muffin-y, I suppose is the word. So don't do it in sort of terribly straight lines, do it a slightly ziggy-zaggy jiggy kind of line. And then the egg tends to get a bit sort of crinkled up at the edges as well. The fried egg is going to be a bit like that. And the sausage patty is certainly going to be quite wiggly too, something like that. The cheese, of course, is perfectly cut, machine cut. So we had that with very straight edges that are going off like that. And then again, we want that kind of crinkly bottom to the muffin, and we can have that kind of crinkly edge there too, and then it's, you know, covered in that, I'm not quite semolina kind of stuff, isn't it, really, I think. So we can do a lot of spottiness on there. I think the sausage, we can give it a bit of texture with sort of stibby stabby kind of lines like that. And then the paper, we can sort of fold up and do interesting things to it, like something like that. And we can bring some of these lines in. So we have it like that. Maybe that will go underneath there as well. Now when you are sure that the ink is dry, you can erase those pencil lines, because you didn't press too hard, did you? If you press too hard, you'll never be able to erase those pencil lines. Now I think we need a bit more sort of spottiness around there. And we are going to definitely want some shading in underneath there. And we're going to want some shading in on the paper to put this muffin straight onto the paper. And we're probably going to want some extra funny little bits of shading like that, and maybe some bits there and some bits there and some there, and let's have a bit like that. And we're probably going to want some underneath there and there. And you can just do some general kind of folded bits like that. And then I think this sausage we can darken up a little bit by putting some shading in there, and then bring it just in underneath the egg. And we can probably put some shading in there too. We're going to need some shading underneath our paper wrapper. We probably want some in there. And keep going all the way around here. And then all you need to do is to colour in your muffin and your sausage patty and the cheese in that wonderfully mechanical yellow colour that they have. And there you go. How to draw a sausage egg McMuffin. My favourite.